I mean, it's a good thing we can do what do you call that shit. We can survive a lot better here. Wait, don't fight it, motherfuckers.
Just a Helion on this place and they can't
Bro,
come.
I just since I brought a knight armor here, I can just
Oh,
push them back.
nigga,
This
that was not fine.
after this, look at the range.
Just fight, bro. We can win this.
Hold them and come.
Fair, you okay?
We're not fighting, right? Can you guys give me like 1 minute? We'll do one minute.
Didi, brother. Show me what you got. Let's see how you play. Come here.
Bro, I guess you're not
Hey,
gonna.
you talk shit right now. You have the highest IP here.
Okay, let's start. Go to your positions.
Ah.
Careful. Rat, you don't need to be in two front. Where is Ranger? Ashik also, you also don't need to be two in front.
Can I jump through the bridge to the other side on them? No, right?
I wanna rush in too.
Oh, there is here finally.
Bro, don't get caught to them.
Bro,
The
you're
bridge-
you're clumping, bro.
Yeah.
Go,
You
stay
pull-
other side of the bridge.
over.
I'll tell. Fuck.
If you pull it over. Keep coming.
Wait. He's going to come. Careful.
Why is Ringstar fucking AFK like that? What the fuck, Ring?
Okay. Wait. Let them come. I'm going to engage. Let them come. Get ready to use defenses, okay? See, guys. You have to DPS on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. See. See, the collar. Get ready. They're pulling.
He ready. He's ready again.
Careful.
He ready again.
Nice. Bro, stay other side of the bridge. Don't come. Stay other side of the bridge. Fuck. Wait. We're clumping too much, bro. Wait. Don't come. Let them come.
I'm going and putting this shit on them and
Yep.
come. What's this shit?
Ranger, let them come to them.
Okay.
Oh, they're moving away.
Yeah, bro, they can't come this side. Do we kill him? What
Don't random. Okay. Guys, here. Fuck, stop. Spread here. Come. Spread here, don't come. Who is that nigger? Wait, DPS on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Go back now. After dropping, go back. Go back. Spread. Defenses, get ready to use defenses. Go west. West. Look at Ranger. Spread him. Go, walk west. Walk west. What is the DPS CD? Do you have the DPS CD ready?
He is ready.
Okay, look at me again. 5. Ranger, get ready to use CPM, okay? Get ready to use the CPM good. DPS on me. Look at me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, careful. Bro, what the fuck? I need heals. What the fuck? How the fuck the tower engage can't kill them, but their engage go back to the other side of the bridge. Go back to the other side of the bridge. Go back to the other side of the bridge. Go back. Go back to the other side of the bridge. Okay, stop them. I'll stop.
Do we need to use incubus?
Oh my. Walk west. Walk southwest.
So why you didn't get your foot? Yes.
America. Do you have anything here? Do you have any DPS here?
No.
Or only T-tank?
Not dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is the
Oh man, I've done so goofed. I thought I had my soldier armor on. Helmet on.
I was full from a fucking another corner, bro.